How to get Spendee Plus. Are you guys facing issues to get Spendee Plus and Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this more icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this section where you can see multiple options. Just tap on upgrade now. After you click on it, now slide the screen to the left side. Once you slide it, you can see the option for Spendee Plus. Tap on the first option. Once you click on it, double click on the power button and verify your Face ID. After you click on continue, you need to write down your card number, your expiry date and CVV number. Once you write it down, tap on done and your transaction process will be completed. As soon as it gets completed, your Spendee Plus will be added on your account, and that's it guys. That's how you can add Spendee Plus and Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.